Good day, viewers. I'm Risto Kapenda. Today we are going to talk about Technical Study C for Grade 8. Today's topic is about drainage. Here are the lesson objectives. Learners should be able to explain the term drainage and name the components of the drainage system. Now that you have seen the lesson objectives, let's get into our lesson.
My name is Mr. Ezekiel Nauta, a trainer for plumbing and pipe fitting at NAMCOL. Drainage system is actually a system that being installed at a customer's house to carry out or convey the wastewater from our sanitary appliances within the house. So why one would say drainage system is important? The drainage system is important simply because the hygiene within the house or the environment, and also it prevents waterborne diseases. So how drainage system being installed? The very first aspect or element for drainage system installation is to determine the site, taking measurements, and mark the trench where you are going to lay your pipes. The trench is being marked and excavated. After the trench is excavated, you determine the levels. Because drainage system it's actually the system whereby the water or the wastewater flowing due to gravitational force. This gravitational force is a man-made aspect whereby a plumber have to determine the level from the connection point to the highest point. So this water, which we call soil water or sewage, is not being pressurized by any means of power. So after you determine the levels, you start laying the pipes. How do you lay this pipe? You lay the pipes from the connection point to the highest point, as I said, and the pipe should be measured accurately. So, and the length of the drain pipes should be straight. How would a plumber knows that the pipes is straight? By the help of the builder line. The builder line is actually to guide you that your pipe is in a straight run. After you check the pipe for straightness, you finish with the iterations. There is a certain procedure that you have to take. It's literally the inspections. Rotting height is a water fitting with a removable cover that provides access to a pipe of a drainage or a drain for cleaning, inspection, and maintenance purposes. The other water fitting is gully trap. A gully trap is a water fitting that incorporates a water seal trap that holds or retains water seal, which prevent bad smell or insect to come or from coming back to the drainage to the house or the buildings. Where can we find the gully trap? It's normally installed outside the kitchen or a bathroom, and it's connected directly to a drain. So the other water fitting, the last water fitting is a grease trap. A grease trap is also a water fitting that traps the grease or fat substances so that they do not end up in the wastewater pipes or sewer. Then you normally find them in the kitchen. The drainage should be inspected for the leakage before it been used. You have to pour water to see whether there's any leakage in the drainage system, basically at the joint. So after drainage is being tested or inspected, you basically able to identify where the drainage is leaking. If you find out the leakage, So then you fix it. After, then you retest it again. After you retest, then you see that the drainage is not leaking, and then you meet the standard. This is actually for the quality of workmanship. And I think briefly that is all about drainage system. I thank you.
Let's look at what we have learned today about drainage system. From me, until next time, take care.